Breaking news, my country people. Tensions are escalating between the neighboring towns of Malam Fatori in Nigeria and Basco in Niger, once known for their harmonious relationship and their friendly daily interaction between soldiers from both nations. Now, all this has come to an end, leading to a denial of access for the Nigerian soldiers to Basco. The situation has serious implications for both countries, given the backdrop of ECOWAS sanctions and the looming threat of military action. The diplomatic relations between Nigeria and Niger are hanging in the balance, with denial of access to Basco leading and dealing a significant blow to the morale and the well-being of Nigerian soldiers stationed in the region. Previously, Basco served as Bosco served as a very crucial source of daily essentials for the Nigerian troops, but with the imposition of ECOWAS sanction to address critical regional issues, the atmosphere along the border has become fraught with unease and suspension. Both sides now seem to be taking precautionary measures in anticipation of potential military action, further exacerbating the fragile state of affairs. The denial of access for the Nigerian soldiers to Bosco has had severe consequences, not only impacting military operations but also affecting the personal lives of those stationed at the border, and basic provisions that were once easily accessible have become scarce, leaving the Nigerian troops, grappling with substance and everyday life challenges. As the situation continues to unfold, it remains uncertain how the diplomatic relations between Nigeria and Niger will evolve. The denial of access to Bosso for the Nigerian soldiers has undoubtedly stained the once harmonious relationship between the towns, leaving them grappling with the fallout of geopolitical dynamics and ECOWAS sanctions. The international community is closely monitoring the development, mindful of potential consequences of military action in the region. The plight of the Nigerian soldiers stationed at the border services serves as a stark reminder of the human cost of such escalating tensions and conflict. Now, efforts are underway to find a peaceful resolution to the situation, but the path ahead remains uncertain for now. Both Nigeria and Niger must navigate through the delicate geopolitical landscape until striving to preserve diplomatic ties and regional stability. The welfare of these soldiers stationed at the border and the well-being of the communities in Malam Fatori and Bosso are at stake, making it imperative for all parties involved to exercise restraint and seek a peaceful dialogue. Well, my country people, this one na another matter na im dey on board o. This one na another serious tension dey come up. We never even talk one, another one don dey sup. Na wa. But then the military should take over power in Nigeria and can wipe away all the old criminal politicians. Thanks. The Niger soldiers are taking over. We are not even practicing democracy in Africa, especially in Nigeria. What we are practicing is hatred, is hunger, religion sentiment, and tribal sentiment. How can a country survive and develop with these evils? The soldiers taking over the country at any time, they think they should do, but it is wrong. It is very, very wrong. What Tinubu is planning is for his personal interest, not for Nigerians nor Nigerians. He is fearing of military intervention in Nigeria because of what's happening in the neighboring countries like Mali and co. Otherwise, what's Nigeria's problem with the juntas are being supported by the citizens in the country? Well, bravo to Niger. War is knocking at the doorsteps. Bola Ahmed Tinubu should leave Niger alone. Let's face our own problems in Nigeria. We have our own problems. Nigeria is the CEO of ECOWAS, so we should be very careful, or else Biafra war will just be like a lighter to what we are going to face. War has never been a better solution to the problems. What Niger don't understand is Nigeria is not a direct enemy to Niger. The decisions taken is after the meetings of the ECOWAS, not Nigeria alone. But Tinubu, being the ECOWAS chairman, is now seen as an enemy to Niger. A drop of water can form an ocean. ECOWAS should find a diplomatic solution to this problem. Many hypocritic foreign countries that don't like Africa are lurking at the corner, monitoring the situation. By the time military action is taken, they will now take over. Guys, these are reactions from Nigerians. So my country people, what are your thoughts on this issue? Once again, Nigerians are calling on Tinubu to, not involve himself in this issue. But there's no way Tinubu can dodge this because he's the ECOWAS chairman. You no get how Tinubu want to dodge this matter. And Tinubu sef, in one show say yes, him na Jagaban. In one show say yes, him go fit handle this matter. That's what's happening. So my country people, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts concerning this in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.